Academy for Competitive Exams. Welcome again, its dear viewers and aspirants to the post number 11, that is the practice test number 11 on educational psychology, multiple choice questions with immediate answers. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the red button for more videos and more posts. Now we move to question number 1. Hybrid disorder is given options: A. Borderline personality disorder, B. Multiple personality disorder, C. Mixed anxiety depressive disorder. Option D. None of the options given. Hybrid disorder is borderline personality disorder, B. Multiple personality disorder, C. Mixed anxiety depressive disorder, D. None of these options. The right answer is option C. Mixed anxiety depressive disorder. Moving to question number 2. Which of the following is not a common symptom of depression? Which of the following is not a common symptom of depression? Given options: A. Lethargy, B. Delusions, C. Poor appetite, D. None of these options. Which of the following is not a common symptom of depression? Given options: A. Lethargy, B. Delusions, C. Poor appetite, D. None of these options. The right answer is option B. Delusions. Option B. Moving to question number 3. Social learning theory was developed by. Given options: A. Albert Einstein, B. Albert Hitchcock, C. Albert Bandura, D. None of this. Social learning theory was developed by. Given options: A. Albert Einstein, B. Albert Hitchcock, C. Albert Bandura, C. None of this. The right answer is option C. Albert Bandura. Moving to question number 4. Melatonin is produced by which gland? Given options: A. Posterior pituitary, B. Pineal gland, C. Anterior pituitary, D. Hypothalamus. Melatonin is produced by which gland? The right answer is option B. Pineal gland. Option B. Moving to question number 5. Mirror picture equipment is related to. Given options: A. Conditioning, B. Memory span, C. Forgetting, D. Trial and error. Mirror picture equipment is related to: A. Conditioning, B. Memory span, C. Forgetting, D. Trial and error. The right answer is option D. Trial and error. Option D. Moving to question number 6. Operant conditioning is linked with. A. Pavlov, B. Kohler, C. Skinner, D. Piaget. Operant conditioning is linked with. Given options: A. Pavlov, B. Kohler, C. Skinner, D. Piaget. The right answer is option C. Skinner. Option C. Moving to question number 7. Expectancy theory is an example for. A. Process theory, B. Needs theory, C. Cognitive theory, D. Hierarchical theory. Expectancy theory is an example for. A. Process theory, B. Needs theory, C. Cognitive theory, D. Hierarchical theory. The right answer is option A. Process theory. Option A. Moving to question number 8. The cognitive abilities test, shortly abbreviated as CAT, belongs to which category of test? The cognitive abilities test, shortly abbreviated as CAT, belongs to which category of test? Given options: A. Adjustment test, B. Group test, C. Individual test, D. Personality test. The cognitive abilities test belong to which category of test? Given options: A. Adjustment test, B. Group test, C. Individual test, D. Personality test. The right answer is option B. Group test. Option B. Moving to question number 9. Psychodynamic therapists believe that. A. Emotional trauma in early days exists. Failure to attain full potential. Inappropriate learning patterns. D. Disturbed thought patterns. Psychotherapist belief was that emotional trauma occurs in early days. Option A. Moving to question number 10. Cognitive development deals with the development of. A. Brain development, B. Emotions, C. Body parts, D. None of this. Cognitive development deals with the development of. A. Brain development, B. Emotions, C. Body parts, D. None of this. The right answer is option A. Brain development. Moving to question number 11. A pigeon is instructed to bite at a green light. A pigeon is instructed to bite at a green light. Now it pecks at all lighted data. Now it pecks at all lighted data. It is a case of given options: A. Discrimination, B. Stimulus generalization, C. Response generalization, D. Generalization gradient. A pigeon is instructed to bite at a green light. Now it pecks at all lighted data. It is a case of A. Discrimination, B. Stimulus generalization, C. Stimulus generalization, C. Response generalization, D. Generalization gradient. The right answer is option C. Option B. Stimulus generalization. Option B. Moving to question number 12. Hormones are the chemicals that helps one body by. Hormones are the chemicals that helps one body by. A. Helping in breathing. B. Instructing the cells. C. Oxidizes the blood. D. None of this. Hormones are the chemicals that helps one body by. A. Helping in breathing. B. Instructing the cells. C. Oxidizes the blood. D. None of this. The right answer is option B. Instructing the cells. Option B. Moving to question number 13. Chipko movement was strengthened under the leadership of. Chipko movement was strengthened under the leadership of A. A.K.Banerjee, B. Medha Patkar, C. Amritha Devi Bishnoi, D. Sundarlal Baguguna. Chipko movement was strengthened under the leadership of. Given options: A. A.K.Banerjee, B. Medha Patkar, C. Amritha Devi Bishnoi, D. Sundarlal Baguguna. The right answer is option D. Sundarlal Baguguna. Option D. Moving to question number 14. The advantages of group project work is. The advantages of group project work is A. Enhanced collaboration, B. Enhanced critical thinking, D. Improves problem solving skill, D. All of these options. The advantages of group project work is A. Enhanced collaboration, B. Enhanced critical thinking, C. Improves problem solving skill, D. All of these options. The right answer is option D. All of these options. Moving to the last question of this post. The type of questions which arouse or which kindle or which promote thinking skills among the students are. The type of questions which arouse or promote or kindle thinking skills among the students. A. Factual questions, B. Closely ended questions, C. Personal response questions, D. None of this. The right answer is option C. Personal response questions. Dear viewers, kindly subscribe our channel for more posts and we do more videos. Do subscribe and support and motivate us. Thank you. Have a great year ahead. Thank you.